नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका के न्यूज़ 24/7 में। तो चलिए देखते हैं आज की हेडलाइंस। यूपी's पॉलिटिकल नॉइज स्कोर ऑफ 80, योगी अखिलेश विल फाइट। लोकसभा इलेक्शन 2024 political noise has started in UP before the Lok Sabha election. BJP is running with the target of winning all 80 seats in UP in the Lok Sabha election, because if BJP does not get 80 seats in UP, BJP will be able to win more than the majority figure. Can't stay behind. NCP will not go with BJP, though some well-wishers trying to persuade me, Sharad Pawar. Nationalist Congress Party Chief Sharad Pawar on Sunday said the party will not go with the BJP through some well-wishers are trying to persuade him. Addressing reporters in Sangola in Solapur district of Maharashtra, Pawar said any association with BJP does not fit into NCP's political party. As a nationalist president of NCP, I am making it clear that my party NCP will not go with the BJP. Any association with the Bharatiya Janata Party does not fit in NCP's political policy, he said. Being little disturbed, Rahul Gandhi speaks about particular politics over Manipur. Former Congress chief Rahul Gandhi said he has been little disturbed over the last few months because of what he saw in stripe-torn Manipur. It was as if one person has been torn in two pieces, like someone has torn an entire state of the union. For me, it was a lesson about what happens when you use politics of division, hatred and anger in a state. Manipur violence is a direct result of a particular type of politics, he said in Kerala's Kozhikode at a foundation stone laying event of a Centre of Disability Management. Himachal rains. Landslide blocks National Highway 205 near Bilaspur. The National Highway 205 NH 205 was blocked at Dakesh in the Bilaspur district due to a landslide, the authorities said on Sunday, adding that the two trucks and one light motor vehicle were damaged in the rain-related incident. In a post on X, Himachal Pradesh police said NH 205 totally blocked at Dakesh due to a landslide. Two trucks and one LMV were damaged. An alternate route is Darla Mode to Berry via Karsi single road. Government authorities have conveyed that more than 200 roads throughout the state remain inaccessible due to substantial rainfall and consequent occurrences of landslide, along with debris descending from the hills. Low level disgusting. Congress leader on BJP complaint against Priyanka Gandhi over 50% commission post. Madhya Pradesh Congress state spokesperson Santosh Singh Gautam on Sunday hit out at the Bharatiya Janata Party for filing a complaint against Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other top party leaders over accusing the MP government of indulging in corruption, calling the move low level, disgusting and oppressive. After the news of the MP government taking 50% commission became public, the BJP freaked out. Through the police, it lodged an FIR against top Congress leader last night, which shows the lower level, disgusting and oppressive display of their fury, the Congress leader told news agency PTI. 16 students injured in lightning strike in Odisha. 16 students of a state-run school in Odisha Kendrapada district were injured in a lightning strike on Sunday, police said. Lightning struck the 11 kV power line near Kudangari Adarsha Vidyalaya in Gadarpur block, and the impact was such that the students who were in the room of the school's hostel are also experienced shock, they said. Among the students, 2 were boys and 14 were girls. They were all students of classes 6 and 7. The injured students were taken to community health center and at present all of them are out of danger, said Dr. Prashant Kumar Jena, who treated them. IMD issues alert for heavy rainfall in several Odisha districts. A cyclonic circulation lies over northwest Bay of Bengal and neighborhood, informed the Indian Meteorological Department on Sunday. As per IMD, the southwest monsoon has been subdued over Odisha. However, there is possibility of rainfall activities in the coming days. Weather forecast and warning. ऐसे ही और न्यूज़ को जानने के लिए जुड़े रहिए के न्यूज़ 24/7 के साथ।